Have you ever wondered which operating system is better for your needs? Today, we're comparing Cachy OS and Bazzite to help you decide. Both Cachy OS and Bazzite are designed to give users a smooth computing experience. They focus on performance and user friendliness, making them popular choices for everyday tasks. Let's start with Cachy OS. This system is known for its speed and lightweight design. It runs well on older hardware, which is great if you want to breathe new life into an old computer. Cachy OS also offers a clean interface, making it easy for anyone to navigate. Now, let's look at Bazzite. Bazzite is a bit more feature rich. It comes with a variety of built in apps and tools that cater to different needs. This OS is also known for its strong community support, which can be helpful if you run into issues. So, what are the main differences? Cachy OS is all about speed and simplicity, while Bazzite focuses on features and community. If you want a quick, efficient system, Cachy OS might be the way to go. But if you prefer more options and support, Bazzite could be the better choice. When it comes to features, CachyOS shines with its performance, but it might lack some of the advanced tools found in Bazzite. On the other hand, Bazzite offers many apps, but it can be heavier on resources. In terms of pricing, both options are usually free, but check their websites for any donations or support options. In conclusion, if you need a fast and simple OS, go for Cachy OS. If you want a system with more features and support, choose Bazzite. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.